Hello friends, how are you doing? So today I'd like to guide how we can send proposal on Upwork for a web development job. So first of all, I need to find a quality web development job like full stack. Full stack means front end and back end development both. So this is a full stack web development job and the client rating seems well. 3 weeks ago, last week, last month, 4 weeks ago. Plugin. Let me find plugin development job. WordPress plugin posted yesterday. Netherlands. Let me check the client payment history actually. 0% higher rate. So I'm not choosing this job. Plugin development for Figma. Let me choose and open this. Interviewing 5 guys already. So I'm going to leave it because I may have low opportunity to get hired because client already taking invitation of 5 or 6 people. Then WordPress plugin development. I need to take give time to find a quality job. Okay, already hired one guy, so going to leave it. Already hired. Interviewing 3 people are freelancers already and 6 job posted 0% hire rate. So this job is not well. The client doesn't seem to be well. 3 days ago, already hired. WordPress plugin fix. Interviewing one guy. Invitation sent to one guy, and the client has 2 job posted, 50% higher rate. This job looks well, but I may have 50% opportunity because client already taking interview. So let me find 2 or 3 other job. Okay, jobs. Interviewing one. Interviewing, just interviewing. So let me choose Next.js or Node.js. Finding other jobs actually. Oh, interviewing Italy. The client is saying 2 job posted, 0% higher rate. So let me skip it. 2 weeks ago, 3 days ago. Yeah, the job seems to be a good fit. Although lots of proposals already, lots of guys applied for the job, but no worries. I'm going to apply and we can find the client is Annie Maria. Okay, now let's write a cover letter. Okay, so let me tell something. We need to consider these points to write a quality cover letter. Like the personalized first line should be very engaging. Highlight some relevant skills that client asked on the job post. So similar past experience, examples, at least 1 or 2. You can also attach GitHub profile or portfolio links or website portfolio or Upwork portfolio as you wish. Then you can explain your approach briefly, how you will complete the project. This is very important. And you should keep the proposal short, like it can be maximum 180 words, but I prefer to write of 150 words. Then you can also ask some specific question and add some user friendly tone and avoid the generic templates. Anyway, I will put this on ChatGPT and use a command like this, but engaging cover letter of 150 words or 160 words. Then I need to, this is a command actually, just I'm asking to ChatGPT regarding the above points, please write a 100% relevant and engaging cover letter of 160 words for the below job post. So this is are the point ChatGPT will consider before writing a cover letter. Anyway, I need to put the job description here because AI doesn't know about the job description. And yeah, I can also attach this. Yeah. Then ChatGPT will write a cover letter. Okay, this is the cover letter actually ChatGPT wrote. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I know the client name actually. Then I need to attach some samples in this cover letter, like please take a look at these websites I have recently developed. Then a couple of questions, then regards Abdul. And I definitely need to check this cover letter through Grammarly. This is very important. Here is Grammarly. I need to read the cover letter actually before submitting. This is very important. Here is the approach. First, I need to audit the architecture, then identify and then implement the improvement without disrupting current workflows. Then the sample. Okay, I think the cover letter is very well, and I have also attached some samples. Now we can use this cover letter as well. So let's go to apply now. Anyway, the client's budget is 35 USD. So I'd like to put at least 25, because if I give low price and apply with the low price, the client may not hire, because the client's probable budget, mentioned budget is this. So I try to go, or I can just add 30 per hour. Then every 12 months, 5%, add the cover letter here. This is the client name. Just you need to read the proposal again, because the sending proposal is not free and it will cut connect actually. Yeah, ChatGPT also asked the questions, a couple of quick questions. Uh, this is very important. Okay. Now the cover letter is fine. So send for 21 connects. If I send the proposal for the jobs, it will actually cut this connect. Yeah, so the proposal is submitted. Thank you guys.